Whether it's joy or misery, essentially both these things happen in your mind, within you. It's your mind, it's your emotion, it's your chemistry which is causing this. What is happening from within you, at least what is happening from within you in your life, should happen the way you want it. You should cause it. It does not matter whether you become a billionaire or not, whether you became a celebrity or not, whether you became the Prime Minister of this country or not. Outside success happened to you in the same measure as somebody else or not, because outside success is subject to various things. And when it comes to the outside world, none of us are equally capable, we are all differently capable. But this every human being deserves, at least his experience on this planet is pleasant within himself. Maybe the Mumbai weather is not making your outside existence pleasant, but at least within yourself your inner climate is pleasant. If this much also you do not create for yourself, I think every day you must be wondering why you're alive. The whole yogic process is essentially about enhancing perception. Your perception cannot be enhanced without pitching up the voltage within yourself. If you have to take an analogy, now this light bulb is there. If it's running at 10 volts, it'll be lighting up only this much space, you only see this much. Only that much is in your awareness. Only what is in your awareness is your world. What is not in your awareness doesn't even exist for you. Suppose I pitch up this voltage to 50 volts and suddenly you find you see much more, suddenly your world is larger, your perception is larger, everything is larger. I crank it up to 100 volts, suddenly you see much more. So when I say enhancing perception, it is not with a teaching, it is by cranking up your system in such a way that your whole system is much more energetic, reverberates a different level of voltage. So naturally your perception is better. Once your perception is better, everything is crystal clear. Once everything is clear, what is struggle for somebody is just play for you. When you say yoga, it's union. If everything is one, everything is I. If I sit here feeling everybody as myself, there's no we, there's just me, no problem. There is somebody here, I'm trying to make an adjustment and sacrifice and all this nonsense comes only because the other is there. If I see everybody is just myself, just I and I and I. So we're making a t-shirt where the t-shirt has this thing, iPod, it struck out, iPad, it struck out, iPhone, it struck out, I meditate.